Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you the SMPS which I have purchased to upgrade my personal computer. Cooler Master MWE Gold 650 V2 80 plus gold certified fully modular power supply. Print price rupees 11,299 in Indian currency. Model name MWE Gold 650 V2. Brand Cooler Master. Connector type modular. Form factor ATX 12 volt and ATX. Wattage 650 watts. The box content: 1 ATX 24 pin, 1 EPS 4 plus 4 pin, 1 EPS 8 pin, 4 PCI-E 6 plus 2 pin, 8 SATA connector, 4 peripherals 4 pin. All flat modular cables take up less specification and are easier to manipulate within the chassis, improving ease of build and airflow. The MWE series comes with a standard limited manufacturing warranty of 5 years from the date of purchase for complete peace of mind. Compliance with latest ATX 12 volt V2.52 specification ensure power requirement for new age multi-core processor and graphics card. All MWE Gold model have 2 EPS connector for universal current generation motherboard compatibility. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.